Hello, my dear viewers. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of downloading and installing this large Minecraft map called Metropolis. The first step is to open your browser. I've provided a link in the video description where you can download the file. Once you're on the page, click on the blue download button.
One eternity later.
Once it's downloaded, move the map file to your desktop for easy access. In the search bar, type %appdata% and hit enter. This will open a folder. Inside, locate the Saves folder and add the downloaded map to it. Next, open Minecraft. And change the game version to 1.12.2 or even an older version. Then click play. As you can see, we now have the Metropolis map installed. Simply press the arrow to start playing. Enjoy exploring this fantastic map.